please like and subscribe. We have regular videos on the Wok's Cooking playlist coming out every Monday.
Views, get those motherfucking views, and subscribe.